To connect printer on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you should be able to find more connectivity options, and then in here we have printing. So we can go over here, and we have two main ways to connect a printer. If you have a Xiaomi printer, then we can tap on the Xiaomi Home, and then you can search for your printer, and you might be able to immediately connect it like this. You can also go to System Printing Service if you use any other printer other than Xiaomi. And in here you might be able to find your printer, but there is a chance that you won't do that. So if that's the case, you want to go to Add Service, and then you will open the Play Store with different plugins, different services that you might need to install in order to make sure that you can find your printer. So do that, and then you might be able to connect your printer quite easily after that. And last but not least, if none of these options actually work, you still didn't connect your printer, then you might need to check the manual of your printer in order to find out how to actually properly connect the printer, because in that case, most of the time printers at this point use their own apps, which of course you should be able to find in the Play Store. But unfortunately, these printers use their own apps and dedicated apps that have to be installed in order to actually make it work properly, to connect them properly and print with them. So you might want to check that information in the user manual, for example, of your printer. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.